Right, hello guys, so it's still Sunday actually, and I finished delivering here, and it just started snowing like crazy, and I never recorded this place before, driving out of here, so I just thought I'd do a nice video of it. We're right here in Saltsjöbaden Centrum. There's the Saltsjöbaden train that goes over here. It's a pretty distant from Stockholm, takes like maybe 20 minutes or something to drive over here, just way out of Stockholm, but still pretty close, you know. It's a pretty nice place here. Now the truck starts up fine, no problems, now that it's hot. If you didn't see my other video, it had a real struggle starting up with loads of warning signs and everything. So at this store I liked to lower down the truck, because you don't have a bay, you drop the goods onto the ground or they catch them. So now we're gonna raise the truck back up. There we go. Put on the lights. And now we're going to drive out of here and back to another place. Here we have a very nasty hill though, so I don't know how we'll make this, but hopefully we can. No, we can't raise up the buggy, it's overload, so we have to relieve the pressure to the maximum. And then we also have a traction control. Here you can like lock the differential. I think I'm gonna do that later when I start climbing up. And here you have traction control, which you can turn off. So now it's off. Let's try it out. But I think it should be good with it on. I'm not so sure. Alright, now we got 14 tons on the buggy, or on the driving axle, so I think we're good to go here. We'll see. Usually I have to go back a little bit, so let's do that early. Like that. Sliding back. Oh, and there's a car coming. Luckily he didn't come later, he come now. Right, here we go now. Come on. It's not gonna make it. Nope. It's not gonna make it. Nope. I knew it. And then we're sliding back. Shit! Shit, we're just sliding, man. How am I gonna make this up here? Maybe if I reverse up. Now we're kind of slided back. We're kind of gonna hit that wall behind us. Oof, that's so close, I think. We're gonna try and reverse back up, maybe. Oh, we're just sliding back. Man, this is not gonna be easy. Let's try and reverse back up then. Let's see how that goes. Because then we can at least come in with some speed. Otherwise, I don't know how the heck am I supposed to get out of here if I can't make this hill. I'm gonna be stuck in here. That's how you do it, you guys. Yeah! That's how you do it. You reverse up the hill. I mean, I'm not sure that's how you do it, but that's one way of doing it at least. That feels nice, getting out of there. Now let's turn around in here. I mean, seriously, I don't think that would have ended well, like going up sideways there. Oh shit, it's not easy turning around here with a 21 pallet truck. It's very long, this truck. Very, very long. Hello, girl. This is some girl in there. Or a boy. A boy that looks like a girl. Bro, cut your hair or something. What is that? He has some sort of... Oh, it's a gym. It looked like a seat for something. Simulator seat. Here we go now, guys. We're off. So I wonder what I will call this video. Almost getting stuck, crashing in the snow. Almost getting stuck in the snow, I guess, or getting stuck in the snow. Yeah, basically I was stuck and then I fixed it by reversing up, which was very dangerous. But luckily the hill was curved, so I could always see what was behind me because it was curved. Otherwise, man, I should have like asked somebody to like just give me a hand and just kind of stand behind me, or now that would be also dangerous. I don't know, man. I don't know how I would have done it. This job is seriously dangerous sometimes. Sometimes you get sometimes you kind of just can't do stuff. You kind of just can't do it. And like if you were to go forwards there, oh wow, that could have ended badly. You could have slided out, you could have gotten really, really stuck. But I don't know, I just always seem to have some sort of technique of getting out of places. Although now I have the trailer at the Bollmora store, and over there you actually have a hill, also a hill. Because you reversed into the hill. When I reversed into the Bollmora store recently, I also got stuck, so I had a little problem getting forwards, so I could reverse more straight in. But eventually I got more forwards after digging and digging down onto the ground and gripping. So at least eventually I went forwards a couple of meters so that I could then nail it in one reverse right into the port, because if you don't nail it, then you can get really stuck in the snow, man. And then now we'll see how I'm gonna get out of there. I think I'm gonna be totally stuck, but luckily they have some gravel there by the store, so I guess I'll just grab some gravel and like shove it underneath. Or I'll just try first, of course, without the gravel, but otherwise it's great with some gravel. Driving in the snow is not easy, man. Especially in the city and stuff. Very dangerous, and lots of accidents do happen. You know, sometimes you just gotta say no, I can't do this delivery. I can't. It's too dangerous. I can't go down there because I'm not gonna be able to go up. So that, like, if you want your goods, then you gotta like carry them from my truck here. I'll help you out. Or like you just go back and you have to deliver another day with a better truck or something, man. Because of course you should try it, you know, it's always good to try it, like impossible delivery places where you know you're gonna get stuck. But like you should always ask first and tell them like, I'm probably gonna get stuck here, so you know, prepare yourself that I'm gonna get stuck. I don't know, it's a tough job sometimes, but I think it's fun, and in the end of the day I always get paid no matter what happens, and it's not my truck, so I don't have to worry so much about what happens to the truck and stuff like that. I don't really care. was kind of about it for this video. Now I'm just driving out of here in this... Oh, this is scary, by the way, wow. In this flimsy truck, in this bad weather, I can't see shit out of the window, and I bet you guys either can't see shit. It's a really bad window wipers. It's so dark, there's no lights on this road, and you can't even see the lines. Right now I'm driving off to the side here, and there is a car behind me, not knowing where he should go, if he want to overtake me, or he doesn't even know. Oh, and I had the speedo, stupidly I have set it to 82 kilometers an hour, not allowed. Now I put it down to 80, so he can pass us on the left. Hope he doesn't drive into us. There you go, buddy. And this is really dangerous weather right now, because people are not used to this. Like, if they do a small mistake, they can crash. Luckily nowadays people have such a good cars with such good warning systems and anti-sliding systems and everything, so it's a lot fewer accidents, I think. It doesn't have any lights on, what the heck. Now we're driving to Urminge, and there is usually no problem. Usually no problem there. There's no hill to worry about or anything. It's just after I'm done, I'm gonna pick up the trailer, which is in a hill. That's gonna be maybe hard, we'll see. Supposed to take a right. Holy shit, it's snowing like crazy, man. Well, it's 0 degrees, so it's kind of melting away. Dangerously slippery though. Boy, here it's dangerous. Slow down a bit. You know, power, come on. Weather to be trucking. Although, could you imagine like trucking in the snow in the middle of nowhere, like in the country roads when it's full of snow? Wow, that's dangerous. Like no plowing or anything. That's man, that would be dangerous. So it's not easy. Truck driving in the snow, definitely not easy, man. So it's such a beautiful view. I love going here in the summer. Yeah, such a beautiful view here. That place where I just delivered, Saltsjöbaden, that's I think where where the end station is for that train, which I showed you, and also where they recorded this Swedish show called Saltsjöbaden. I think there's so many beautiful villas just by the sea, man. And I think here's maybe where the boats go, also some of the big boats underneath this big bridge. This air horn, Scania. Oh boy, my feet are cold. I need to put on some heat onto my feet. Here's our exit. Perfectly engine braked down to my speed here. They have some snakes here in the roundabout. They're looking pretty funny, scary.